going to my next topic, I want to talk about just making healthy choices in your diet. So things that I think are really important that I tell my drum corps students is start building salads. And salads don't have to be boring. They can be whatever you want them to be. So salads just start with a base. So let's say I pick just romaine lettuce as my base. So I'm gonna chop this up, put something on it as a base, but your base can be any type of green. It can be kale, spinach, lettuce. There's all different types of lettuce. Add something crunchy in there. So carrots, cucumbers, zucchini, peppers, all those things that have vibrant colors, but they're also gonna add a little bit of crunch to your salad. Also add color. So that's the thing that I want you to really think about with your salads is your salad should be vibrant. It should have lots of color. It should be pretty much the rainbow. So think of things like onions, tomatoes, avocados, beets, peppers. Maybe try something that you're not used to and just throw it on there. See if you can kind of broaden your horizons a little bit. On top of that, you want to put protein on it. So protein can be things like chicken breast, it can be salmon, it can be all those meats that you're used to having. If you're vegetarian, you can do more things like beans, like lentils, black beans, garbanzo beans. You can even try something like tofu or quinoa. Those are also really good choices. And then on top of that, you want to do some type of dressing, typically, but you also want to be very mindful about your dressing. So, good example, I have a vinaigrette here. So, any type of vinaigrette is generally a pretty good choice. You do have to watch the sodium content on that. So, I'm reading my label. I can see it has a little bit more sodium than I'm wanting. However, the calories are low, the sugars are low, and it has good ingredients in here. So the ingredients on this one says water, wildflower honey, red wine vinegar, poppy seeds, raspberry juice, and evaporated cane sugar. Yes, there's cane sugar in this. However, it was at the end of the label. So when an ingredient is at the end of a label, that means it's a lesser content of an ingredient than the ones on top. So keep that in mind as well. Other things that you can do for dressings are things just simply like balsamic vinegar or red wine vinegar that come in bottles. Or you can even do something as simple as lemon juice or fresh lime juice, just squeeze on top. Those are also really good choices. So I'm not saying you have to eat salads all the time, but those are great ways to get yourself in a healthy option. Some considerations that I'd like to share with you. You want to avoid things like croutons, tortilla strips, wonton strips. They're really high in fat and they're also high in sodium. So if you are going to use them, do it sparingly. You also want to be mindful about how much cheese you put on your salad. When you're putting a ton of cheese on your salad, that's actually going to increase the fat content, especially saturated fat. So if you want to do a little bit of Parmesan or something, that's fair. But you do want to make sure that your veggies are outweighing your toppings. So the cheese, the croutons, extra dressing, all those types of things. So that's just a quick tip on some salads. I also want to talk about sensible snacking. So there's a lot of things that you can choose for snacks and we don't always grab for the right choices. So here's some things that you can kind of think about. If you've never tried hummus, I do recommend that you try hummus. That's a really good dip that you can use with vegetables like carrots or celery sticks, and also whole wheat crackers like Wheat Thins or Triscuits or something like that. It's a healthy alternative to other dips you might choose, like dairy dips, like a French onion dip, or some of the other ones that are actually going to be not as healthy. You'll also want to think of nuts as your go-to for snacking. So like a handful of nuts, usually just the palm of your hand. That's about 1 ounce, and that's a really good size to get your proteins up, but also to get your energy up. Other things you can do is like hard-boiled eggs. Those are a really good source of protein. Things like whole grain bread. If you're just really wanting some carbs, just get 1 slice of bread. Usually you want to go for whole grain or whole wheat because that's a lot more healthy for your body. And then if you want something on it, put maybe a tablespoon or 2 of peanut butter. You can do a little bit of jelly, kind of up to you what you want to put on there. But those are kind of the mindful choices that you have to make for yourself. Also, any type of veggie, fruits and veggies are kind of should be your go-to. So veggies, you can really eat as much as you want because veggies primarily have a super high water content. That's something that we talked about in our hydration video. Hydration is also in what you eat. So vegetables are a great way to increase your water, but also a great source of nutrients to get yourself energized is what we're talking about now. So some other snacking, don't forget about your fruits. So pick up a banana, have some fresh berries, something like that. That's also a really good source of snacking.